Are you struggling to create a website that converts web traffic into paying clients? Isn't that the goal of having a website in the first place? That's why I'm diving deep to help you know exactly what you need to do, who you need to hire or work with, and what you should expect on your journey to creating a wow website. In this series, I'll go through the best platform to use, the plugins and software you need to install, where to host, and how to find the right host, one that keeps your site up and running. Plus, I'll show you what you need to do to keep your site up and running smoothly, and most importantly, how to make your website bring in clients consistently. If that sounds like a plan to you and something that you're interested in, hit that like button and please do me a favor and share this with your fellow coaches and VAs. Hey there, and welcome back to the channel that teaches coaches and VAs how to convert marketing into money using your wow website. I'm Carol J. Dunlop, the online wow strategist and 10-time Amazon best-selling author. I'll be your guide and instructor, so grab a pen and buckle in. Okay, first things first. What is a wow website? Isn't that just a website? Oh no. Your website has two functions: to attract the right audience to visit your website in the first place, and number two, to convert those web visitors into subscribers or paying clients. It's a website, you say. How can my website do all that? Simple. Number one, keywords your audience is using to search. Two, content your audience wants. Three, offers your audience needs, along with the feeling of trust and expertise your visitors feel when they hit your site. If your website offers visitors the opportunity to get to know you, figure out they like you, start to trust you, and then decide to buy from you, you definitely have a wow website. In this new training series, I'll show you how to create a wow website that looks awesome, is branded with your colors, logo, and concepts, answers questions, and provides the information your audience is seeking in the right form, with the right message, and captures the name and email address of your visitors so you can connect with them on a deeper level. It's also going to showcase your solution to their problem, and it's up to date. And most of all, it presents you as the only solution. Your wow website is all about showing your audience that you know what they want and that you will solve their problem, plus stop their pain. My husband and I started this company over 30 years ago. That means that we've been creating wow websites that help purpose-driven entrepreneurs just like you to convert marketing into money for quite a while. Hey there, thank you for watching. If this content has been valuable to you, can you do me a favor and subscribe? And if you want to help others get more information about designing their own wow website, you give us a like, that would be awesome. It helps YouTube to spread the word about this channel so that we can help other purpose-driven entrepreneurs just like you. Thanks so much. And now you can return to your regularly scheduled program. What will it feel like to know that you can create a website that converts visitors into paying clients that buy from you over and over again? Well, stick with me because that's what we're going to do. In the next video training, I'll show you how to create a wow website team. I'll tell you why you need them and what you should expect from them. Tight on funds? No worries, I got some ideas that will help you. In the meantime, watch this next video. It'll show you how to understand your audience's pain points. This video helps you to get clear on what your audience wants and how to provide it to them. That's all for now. See you next time. Bye for now.